Factory resetting your AirPods Pro 3 without an iPhone is simple using the button on the charging case. First, open the case lid with your AirPods inside. Locate the setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button for about 15 seconds. Watch the status light inside the case. It will flash white initially, then amber, and finally back to white when the reset is complete. This erases all paired devices and settings, restoring your AirPods to factory state. Make sure they have at least 20% battery and keep them away from water. After resetting your AirPods Pro 3, you'll need to pair them with your device again. This process works with Android phones, Windows PCs, or even iPhones. First, keep the charging case open to access the Setup button. Press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white continuously. This should take about 5 to 10 seconds and puts your AirPods into Bluetooth discovery mode. On your device, open the Bluetooth settings. This works on Android phones, Windows PCs, or iPhones. Look for your AirPods Pro 3 in the list of available Bluetooth devices and select them. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. This method is hardware independent, making it useful for cross-platform users and a handy alternative when digital methods fail.